So this is the final video in VS Code shortcuts and key bindings. We will talk about some key bindings for setting, for command palette, for creating shortcuts if you want, for themes, and something about formatting your code, showing markdown result, completion or suggestion, things like that. Let's start with setting. It's command, I don't know what this key is, but you probably see it. So this is the setting. You can basically change anything you want. Command palette, command shift P. So here you can basically find or do whatever you want, whatever is available. Of course you can, whatever command like is really important to you. To create a shortcut is command K, then command S, keyboard shortcuts. Here some system shortcuts, then we have JavaScript debugger, or you can just look for, say, highlight. You can even edit these things. To see themes, command K, command T, and you can change your Visual Studio Code theme, like whatever theme you like. To see markdown, command shift V, you will see it in another page, like the result of your markdown, and it's automatic. You can write things and here it will show it. However, if you want to show it on the same page, command K, then V, it will show it like here, and you can just edit. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.